What's going on, guys? Just a little intro for you. I'm on top of some $1 million penthouses. Now, it's fitting because we're gonna look at $1 million website today, a business today that you can do. I'm gonna show you, you can do this, okay? Now, there's gonna be a lot of tools and there's gonna be a lot of inspiration from you, a lot of things of what to do rather than what not to do. And I wanna show you guys the shortcuts to this. I'm super excited. I'm gonna stop walking around and being a little goose up here, get down to my apartment and show you guys. Before I do that though, what I want you to do, drop down hashtag winner. Did you drop it yet? Drop a like on this video before we get started. Drop hashtag winner. Also, we're heading into Q4. Are you prepared for it? Do you want a little more help? I just released a mentorship program last week. We've already got dozens of people in there. Do you even know about it? Have you checked it out? Super affordable. This is how you're gonna get ahead. This is how you're gonna get some hands-on advice, some digital products, some things that are gonna boost you to become more successful. I am gonna limit it, and I'm not gonna be talking about it all the time because it's gonna be closed very soon. If you are interested, go check it out, sign up, join us. But I'm gonna go downstairs, I'm gonna walk you through exactly what the store is doing well. It's super exciting video, it's super quick and to the point, so let's get to it.
A year later, they come back and they say, hey, you took me out of the position, you took me out of the job, you took me out of XYZ. I'm financially free now and I can do what I want.
All right, guys, we are on a site called Flippa.com. Now, Flippa.com is just a place where you can go to sell websites, not just dropshipping websites, other online e-commerce businesses. It's a great place to go and find dropshipping stores for inspiration if you want to buy a store. Now, I go here just for inspiration. I've never bought a store before. I might sell a store in the future. More than you need to know. But basically, all you do is come up in the search bar, type in dropshipping, sort by revenue. You'll find some good ones. Some will be hidden. I came across this one. They're currently trying to get $265,000. I would not pay that for this website. But with this website, I want to talk about a few things, okay? Now, one thing is they're in the beauty niche, okay? Now, the beauty niche is a very saturated niche. When I get into this, you're going to see that they're also in a very saturated product. I'm telling you guys, you don't need, if there's saturation, move towards that a little bit because that might be where you need to go. There's buyers there. There's a reason people are selling it. So, let's get into the details. This will show you just everything average, revenue and profit, all that great stuff. So the gross revenue on average is $69,000. The net profit is $23,000. They're making $23,000 basically automated. Now they had a month where it was just $0 and I believe their Facebook ads were shut down. I don't believe it was an inventory issue. Sorry about the lighting, but I think their Facebook ads were shut down, as you're going to see the details here in just a moment. Now, this store has only been running for 9 months. Now, that was 9 months back in 2019, leading through kind of the, whatever's going on right now. I don't think I can say the word. We're locked down right now. But, for a while, if you can see this, $100,000 gross revenue. They netted only 17, but the next month was 150. I looked at this earlier. It was 150, and they net roughly almost $72,000. So they're almost getting 50% margins on this. Now I'm going to talk to you guys why this is the case and why they are doing so well. They're absolutely killing it. It's pretty much automated. They've got everything set up in place. And this is what I tell you is, yes, it's a lot of work to find the right product, to test things, to get the website set up. Once you get something that's working, you can sit back and just watch the cash roll in. I'm telling you, this is what I do. And this is what we're going to get you guys to do. So pay attention to what they're doing well. Now, full disclosure, you don't need to make a site as good as this one. As you're gonna notice, there's gonna be a lot of branding pieces in here. There's gonna be a lot of things that are a little more well thought out. I've got a store and stores that are not this well thought out that do actually better in terms of revenue, not in terms of margins, because I'm not in the beauty niche. You can make crazy margins. Too much information, but what I'm gonna tell you guys is this is what we're gonna focus on moving through 2020 into 2021. We're gonna have to start to get more sophisticated with this stuff. We're gonna talk about that. For right now, you're still fine. Just kind of take things here and there. Don't be overwhelmed. Let's get into it. We're gonna go back up top here though. Okay, so here's the paragraph I wanna show you guys. So this is a little write-up that they had, but they said, they've been sitting and growing for the past 9 months. And the only issue that we ever really had is Facebook ads being disapproved from time to time due to their system, falsely flagging our ads. Does that sound like you? Does that sound like me? That happens. People in my mentorship program, I gave them the Pinterest course, which isn't available to anybody, to start to diversify traffic. Now, if you're in that group or you want to get in that group, it's free access right now. I'll give you a code. So the link down to the mentorships down below. Just a healthy little plug, right? But either way, we're trying to find new ways. This store's running Facebook ads, they're running Google ads. They're doing some email marketing. I know they have some SEO working on there. So anyways, too much on this. Let's go to the actual website itself, guys. What does this thing look like? The first thing you're gonna notice is they don't even have a favicon up here. Where's their favicon at? The logo's super simple. People overthink this. You can just do a text logo. It looks great. It looks great. 2 different fonts. Well thought out. I love it. Super easy. Like I said, we're dealing with skincare. We're dealing with 2 different products. We've got the Pore Cleanser Pro and the True Smooth Pro. The True Smooth Pro. Love the names. Super simple, guys. This is what I tell you, to brand them in a way so when someone's talking to somebody, they say, oh, this is the Pore Cleanser Pro that I got from Bella Bold. Now, this is the blackhead remover thingy that I got from some site I can't remember. That's what I talk about when branding. Like, you don't necessarily have to brand the actual, images and everything. Like, that's great. Go the extra mile. But even just giving a name is so important. Now, a lot of you guys might remember this True Smooth Pro, just a hair laser removal kit. Does this look familiar to you guys? You might remember this brand, Hey Silky Skin. This is a brand that is absolutely killing it. I can't remember if it was last year or the year before that. They've been consistent since, but I can't remember if they popped up last year. This is something that is like a dropshipping dream. It's a private label now. They've got like Scott Disick. They got all these people. Look at all this social proof they got now. But this is a brand that you'll see if you're a girl and you're watching this, you've probably seen this brand before. This company's selling the same thing. There's no branding. Look at this. There's nothing. They don't even have the name on that thing, huh? Okay, they got that there. I don't know why they want to put that at the top, but like they've got a nice little video here, but still there's no branding at all to it. These reviews aren't even like image reviews. These are just like simple reviews that they threw on there. They put the as seen in, not sure if that's true, but it's there. This is what I like about them. I can tell that they do a lot of bundling, a lot of upsells, which we'll get into in a moment. I'm going to show you guys another tool that is super amazing for analyzing stores if you stick with me. But as you can see, you get a free Pore Cleanser Pro with the purchase of this product, which is $120. If you go to Hey Silky Skin, which is branded, you get custom packaging, all that stuff, it's like $10 more. So this is quite spendy. But here's what I'm going to show you guys. This is what they did really well. So if we go back to the Pore Cleanser Pro, I'm going to click in there. Look at the price of this. It's only $29.99. There's obviously free shipping going on. They spent a little more time on this side of things because what I think they're doing is this is the front end product. So they just want people to buy this product and then upsell them the other thing. They're kind of doing a backwards bundle as well. It's a really smart play, but as you can see, they've got these testimonials. This is like some founder thing. I don't know if that's the actual person. Maybe it is. It looks kind of like a stock photo, but that's just me. And then, they got all the reviews down here. So really cool. What I'm going to show you guys, watch this though. Watch this. If you download this little free Chrome extension, I've got some hair in my eyes. Free Chrome extension. It's called the Koala Inspector. And what it allows you to do, and this is not a brand promo, please sponsor me if you're watching this. The Koala Inspector, you download it. It's going to show you all the apps this company is using. They've got MailChimp. They've got the Google customer reviews. They've got Reconvert. A couple things. First of all, they're obviously doing a lot with email marketing. They're trying to capture emails and reuse that. That's why their margins are so high, because they're acquiring a customer and then they're bugging them until they can get some sort of another sale from them. If they don't get the sale on the front end. So what I think they're doing is they're getting this customer to pay for this with a really, really cheap offer, $29.99. And then they also do like installments. So $29.99. They get that email, and then they're probably trying to market the other product, the more expensive product, or they're gonna market this one again for like friends and family and gifts, all that sort of stuff. So they got that going for them. Once they get to the end, they get the Reconvert thing going on, which allows them to do upsells. So once I actually purchase, what's gonna happen is they're gonna either sell this one to me again at a different price, or try to sell the other thing, because those are 2 related products and people would be in the market for that. So those are two things that they're doing really, really, really well that I love. As you're gonna see up top, they've got the 3 to 4 day shipping, I believe, is what they post. This thing moves a lot. It gets your attention. Free shipping. It's a great way to get people to, buy a product because people love free shipping. Now what we're gonna notice here, watch this. So if I go over to AliExpress, just to prove to you this is a dropshipping product, if you don't believe me or not, here it is right here. It's the exact product. Now, so you can get it for $12 off AliExpress. As you can see, this is coming straight from the US and we're getting 4 to 9 day shipping. Now, they have a private supplier that they're using, that they store stock in the US, because I read their little bio. That's probably true. But the fact that you can get this product because it's so popular, look at this. 4,000 reviews, 31,000 orders. This is just one supplier. So as you can see, this product is what people say saturated. I'm sorry about the lighting again, saturated. But look, that doesn't make a difference. This company is making, in 9 months they did 700,000. I guarantee if we saw their numbers after that, they probably hit 1 million for the year. There's no way they didn't. But what I'm gonna tell you guys, okay? So they focus on branding. As you can see, they have this custom packaging. That's all easy to do with a supplier, with a sourcing agent. If you have the volume, it gives a little extra touch. Well, I'm gonna stop talking because we've got some work to do. It's Q4, right? Okay. And if you're excited about Q4, what I need you to do right now is to go down in the comments, drop #winner. This has got to be our year. I can feel it, okay? Drive up the likes in this video. I want to hear you guys. Share something with me, okay? I want to get a little bit of feedback. If you want a little bit of boost in this Q4, check out the mentorship program. It's super affordable. There's a lot of goodies in there. I know people are enjoying it right now. We just opened it. It's going to be limited, so hop on it now, or you might not have access to it. Also, if you want more information about Facebook ads, if you want to learn how to be really good at it, if you just aren't being as successful as you can be, go check out my last video. That's going to help you out a lot. I talk through everything about Facebook ads if you have not seen it. And as I always say, until next time, peace.